So before we get into the video, I'd like to ask you to subscribe to this channel. Let me walk you through it. Just look down under this video. You'll see a red button that says subscribe. Click it. It's real simple. Alright, enough talk. Let's go into making this car.
Alright, welcome back. Alright, now for texturing, we're going to do something pretty simple. Nothing too complicated. We're going to just make some simple textures and render this backward. Alright, so let's select everything, and from the right view, let's move it up. Holding down Control, it will snap, and let's just hit Shift C to send our cursor back to the middle. But Shift A at the plane, scale it out to about 20. Okay. Okay, nice. Let's find out where we'll position the camera. Alright, I want high angle on this side. Alright, that's looking nice. Alright, let's Shift A and add a camera. I just want to get the camera placement now. Okay, with the camera selected, wherever we added it, let's press Control Alt and numpad 0. This will lock the camera into the current view we are in. Right, let's press G to move the camera and press Z and hit Z again to move it along the local of the Z axis. Right, let's just put it about there. Alright, okay, that's out of the way. Let's go ahead and add some textures to this bad boy. Now we can take advantage of Blender's. If you're using the 2.8 version or 2.9, I'm personally using 2.9. Let me show you my splash screen. This is 2.91. Alright, but this is still available in 2.8. So you could enter the shading workspace that has already been made for you to use, for you to like efficiently and quickly have workspaces. Okay. Alright, so for the car, let's add a new material. Let's add a new one. Okay, I want the car to be, I think blue would be red. A red will look nice. Okay, yeah, red should be fine. Not as saturated as this though. Maybe a light blue should be fine. Light blue like this, or something along these lines. I mean, red cars are too common. I mean, so I'll make mine blue, right? Let's start into edit mode now and add a new material here and just type new, alright? Now let's select the places that will have this material, alright? So this material should be white. So I'll make it perfectly white, alright? Now let's try to get some places. Okay, let's select some faces. This guy is here. Hit Control plus to increase the selection, and let's select this material and hit assign. Okay, that looks nice. That looks nice. Alright. Let's select everything here. Hit Control plus to increase the selection and hit assign. Alright. Just doing something basic and simple. This was really a modeling tutorial. This is just like a bonus part. So this texturing is not so in-depth, but it'll work for now. Alright, let's add something for the mirrors. We won't be seeing inside the mirrors, so I'll just make it black. Black, I mean. Alright. Okay. Let's make our plate white. Alright. I'm going to add a loop cut here and press Control B to just make this like this. I'm just going to add this to just add some add a nice line to the car. It just looks better with this line. Okay.
Alright, that's a reminder to hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell to get notified anytime I release a new video.
Now let's make windows. This won't be something very difficult. Let's add a new material, sign it. Okay, windows would be blue and that will look like a car. Let's make it very light blue. All right, tires. Let's make, let's use previous materials. So if you select a new object, you can just select a previous material that has been created to use for that particular object, all right? Select the insides of the tires, add a new material, and let's select the ash and just hit assign, all right? There we are. Okay, the car looks pretty high. All right, let's look at it from the camera's point of view. Okay, okay, that looks okay. Looks all right. All right, so select the lights and hit Control I to invert the selection because we had the faces inside selected. We select this gray material. I'm just going to increase metallic up to 1. This will have a shiny effect. But we have to make this bright. Let's just make this white because metallic will technically make it darker than it is. All right, and let's select these guys. Add a new material. Let's change this to an emission. Just make this yellow and hit assign. Okay, let's make this different type of yellow. Let's saturate it. All right. Okay, that is looking nice. All right, looking nice. Let's do the same thing for the tail light. Let's make this one and select these guys. Select the emission and just hit this button here to copy this material. Just make this one red and hit assign. Looking lovely, guys. Looking lovely. All right, we are about done. All right, this should be done. Let's change the color of the plane on the floor. A nice red. Let's just pick a color. The blue would be nice too. Yeah, nice blue. You can use this eye picker to select the color. I'll just use the less saturated version of this one on the car. Alright, let's hit render to see it. Okay, now let's light the scene with HDRI because I don't want to go into lighting. So Control T if you have Node Wrangler enabled. Alright, let's open and I'll enter my HDRI files and select this is my favorite now, so let's see how it looks. It looks nice. It looks nice, alright. Alright, let's set the things rendering blue. Blue won't have much effect now. There are many lights in the scene, but this light would have blue enabled. I like having this on and ambient occlusion. I can go over these things in a future tutorial, but for now, just select what I say basically. Let's change this to medium just to have a nicer look, right? Okay, everything looks like it is in order. PNG, select your output. Everything is in order, so I'll go back to my solid view, go into render, and hit render image. All right, this will take some time because I have something else rendering in the background, but usually it is faster. I have something else rendering in the background. There we are. We're done. Okay, this looks nice. And there you have it. All right, if you have some noise going on, you can increase the samples and do it again. You see, this was 8 seconds. It will be quicker with Eevee if I do not have something else. I have something else rendering in the background. So this made it slower. Just click here on image and click save as and save the image to wherever you want it. I'll save this to my desktop. Let's say low poly, rename it car tutorial dot png. Save as image, and there you have it, guys. All right. So thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time.
One, I will be happy if you hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell to see more video like this. Thanks for watching, guys, and until next time.